Hey everyone, thanks for joining this video. I'm coming to you in real time from the beautiful Bay of Islands. I'm going to share with you some footage from a yacht delivery that I helped out during 2023. The trip was actually from Hobart, Tasmania to Fiji. A very unfortunate thing happened during the trip, and that is that the GoPro that I was using to do most of the filming, there was an issue. I don't know what it was, and the footage I took was lost. We really tried to recover it. We sent it away to specialists that deal with data recovery, but unfortunately there was no recovering it. I had awesome footage of whales out in the Tasman Sea, some amazing sailing conditions, so naturally I was really gutted to lose that data. However, I did capture some imagery on my phone, and so I thought I'd salvage it and put together what I could. So this video covers Tasmania and the amazing coastline that is southern and eastern Tasmania. We also crossed Bass Strait. It was very rough crossing, so we couldn't, I couldn't film during that, but I just wanted to salvage what I could from the footage and share this with you. So this is just a short video of the first section of the trip from Hobart to Eden in mainland Australia. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks very much for watching. Cold night. It's 10 degrees down on the boat this morning, and there's a bit of snow up there on the mountain above the marina, so it's going to be a bit sunnier today, which is nice. So yeah, busy day today. The late night breeze, it's all pretend. Don't you worry now, don't you worry. So we've got all the issues sorted on the boat, and it's been decided that we're going to be leaving tomorrow for Sydney. So there's a bit of wind in the weather, but the sea state looks alright, so we'll see how it goes. It's a pretty afternoon here. Sun and clouds and wind, so it's all pretty sweet. Our departure from Hobart was via the Derwent River, from where we headed to Cape Real. Not far out we saw two humpback whales, and then the striking sea cliffs of the southern Tasmanian coastline came into view. Watching the Southern Ocean swells washing up the cliffs was a most amazing experience. The cliffs of Tasman Island were stunning. It was a privilege to visit such a wild location up close. rounded Tasman Island, we sailed into the night, heading up Tasmania's eastern coastline. As the afternoon went on, we headed towards the northeastern corner of Tasmania and out into Bass Strait. The crossing of Bass Strait took 24 hours and we experienced some rough conditions. We had 35 knots of wind sustained and waves on the beam of several metres tall. It was a pretty wild night and we were happy to reach the shelter of mainland Australia the next morning. Just tied up at the dock at Eden to get an electrician aboard to sort out some issues and reprovision. Hopefully we can check out from here over to Fiji. From Eden, the remainder of the trip to Fiji went really well. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks very much for watching. See you next time.